What's going on? This is Austin Navy Only. Today we're going to install a stealth hitch right here underneath the bumper. It's my first time going through this and I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process coming up. My name's Kevin. I'm the owner of Austin Navy Only. If you're new to the channel, we do repairs on all models of Tesla and the Chevy Volt, Fiat 500 electric, and the list is growing every day. If you're new here, we'd love it if you'd subscribe. It'd mean a lot to us and help others find our channel. All right, let's go through the tools you're going to need real quick. So we'll start over here with the wrenches. We got a 17 millimeter and a 15/16. If you don't have either of these, an adjustable wrench will do just fine for that. 15 millimeter deep well socket, torque wrench, some extensions here, T25 bit, pliers, flathead and Phillips screwdriver, and a 90-degree pick, and optional some flashlights so you can see better. So that's about what you need. Let's get started. All right, so we got two tabs to take out. One is right here. The other one is right here. There we go. All right, and we're going to pull this piece down right here. There we go. Okay, pull this piece up right here. Go. There we go. One right here. One right here. Let's unclip the lights right here. Great. Start to pull this piece out here so we can get to the. We just gotta get this tail light out. All right, let's undo all these 8s here to get this tail light out. Okay, disconnect the tail light. There we go. Let's see. I'm gonna have to pinch those, I'm guessing. Undo these. Just twist them out. Okay, cool. So we're there. And then stuck. Okay, I don't know what it was, but I squeezed the backside and then this side just popped out. So let me show you what these hooks look like. Oh my God, it's like stuck back in now. What happened? There we go. So they look like this. And just kind of friction hold them in on these little guys here, which made things difficult for me. So I don't know. Again, I just kind of pinched it. All right, let's undo these 8s here. Okay, goodness. And then, if I remember correctly, we just kind of wiggle this thing until it comes out. Okay, let's see if we can't wiggle this out this time. Okay, got the top out. Oh, okay, great. Oh, goodness. Guess what? Forgot to take the wire out. And now, wiggle it out. All right, so this is a newer Model 3. Model Ys, they have a port already built in case you ever want to install a hitch. So it makes things nice and easy. Figure out the right angle, and there you go. All right, now we're gonna go through and grab all of the 10mm sockets. There should be 7 of them. Let's see if we can count them. 1. Looks like up here behind this, there's 2 behind here. And if there is a 7th, it's right here, but there might not be. Now, it's not asking, but I'm just going to go ahead and take off these 2 right here. I think that these might be part of it. All right, and then there's 3 ties in here. One's around the corner you can't see, but I'll get the ones you can. One right up front here. This one here. And then, excuse me while I go around the corner here. Here we go. Move that out, move that out. Awesome. Okay, and there's a T25 right here. I realize the lighting is not that great. There you go, more lighting. Cool. Got that sucker out. All right, let's get this T25 out right here. It doesn't say any instructions we gotta give, so.
It came with instructions?
Yes, it did. And I read them. Can you believe that? All right, let's send it back to the side. And then pull it on this side. Okay, so we're supposed to just kind of pull back and down. It says, whoop. Oh, I see. Yeah, there you go. Okay, looks like you got it. I'll go on this side. Nice, that's what I need you for. And then I'm supposed to undo it right here. There we go. Okay, and then let's put it on this box right here. So we don't scratch it. Muy bien. Thanks for that help, sir. Appreciate you. All right, now we're going to take this piece off right here. 5 screws all together. Okay. So I just rotated that over and away. All right, now we're going to remove the 15mm bolts right here from the crash bar. Some cars have 6 and some have 5. Alright, there you go. Alright, because I'm lazy, I'm going to use a for the rest. Over here. All right, more 15s right here. Save the nuts, discard this plate. Discard the plate. All right, now I'm going to put a nylon washer, one on each. Awesome. And then torque wrench, 45 foot-pounds of torque is what is called for. Okay, so now we're gonna put these brackets on, and this part is a little confusing because you're like, hey, does it go this way? Does it go this way? Which way does it go? So one thing is the notch needs to face the fat side, not the skinny side, and then this L bracket faces the center. So we're gonna put that in there like that. Well, we got some washers, some nylon washers here I need to put in between. It's kind of hard to do on the fly. Put your bolt in. Oh, don't forget the flat washer. So, sorry, forgot my flat washer here. Okay, so nylon washer goes in there like that. Flat washer, nylon washer. While holding these in, I'm going to flip it over and see if I can't get these started here. I believe they're 15 millimeter nuts. Alright, yeah, just enough to, oh my goodness, that is deep in there. Okay, and I don't know if you can see I reached my hand in the side for this other one on the fat side because it was just real hard to get at. Okay, let's do the other side. Alright, so same deal here, notch goes up, this L piece faces towards the center. Grab our bolts and a flat washer, and then put a nylon washer on the back side like that, and then slide that first one in. All right, and the second one here, see if we can slide the nylon washer in underneath. Great. And then the third one here, again, I need to slide this nylon in. This is the hardest part with this stupid nylon. Okay, there we go, great. And then I'm gonna take 3 of these nuts here, hold it, flipping it over, and start putting these on. Okay, we got that one started. All right, so they're at least somewhat on now. Okay, whoops, my bad. I just realized I was not supposed to torque these inner nuts down, just the outer ones. So let's take these back off. Now that we got those off, put this hitch here. All right, and now we're going to do our 45 foot-pounds here. Awesome. Got them all 4. All right, now we're going to tighten these. They're 15 millimeter on this side, 17 millimeter on the back side. And I got to be honest, getting to the back side of this, now that it's torqued on, doesn't make much sense to me. That's the way they wanted it, so trying to get my okay. There's sort of one. Cool. Let's go to the other side. I guess it wasn't that bad since I did it so that fast. Alright, I feel like this one is going to be the hardest one. I can see it just rotating in there. Come on. Alright, let me torque these down to 45 foot-pounds each. And and we should be good. Okay. Let's see, it's rotating in there. Okay, now let's do the other side. I think the ticket has been to come in from the other side here. Cool. Okay, and then the block is going to go in here like this. Actually got this one set to 15/16 and then this 15/16, so we'll start screwing these on here like so. This might take a while. Okay, now that we got the back one on, let's do the front one. It's kind of the same fun, but in the front. All right. All right, let's start putting this back together. Yeah. So this little part right here, yep, on right there, and then I think we just push the bottom button. Yeah, I got it. Thank you. Super helpful. Thank you. Okay. I know I'm not the only one that this happens to, where I'm going to put it back on and forgot that this needs to tuck under the panel in front. So let's see if we can't bend it. Yeah, it looks like that was bent. Okay, now we're gonna do 3 on the other side. Got it. Okay, now we're gonna put in the T25s. Hey, I don't know if this happened to anyone else, but my this little piece popped off on both sides, so I gotta pop it back on here, and then we're good to go. There we go. Slipped it back on. Great. Now we grab the T25. There it is. All right, the sucker's back on. I think we're done. All right, let's get the sucker back together. I think we can start with the lights. Let's get this light back in. All right, let me put the 8mm nuts back on here. Right, just gonna put back some of the trim pieces here. We're good. All right, let's call that done. Well, that's all for today, folks. If you found this video helpful, please smash that like button, and more importantly, please subscribe. That's how we make more videos. Until next time, this is Austin EV only.